Okay, cha-cha-cha. Very, very popular dance. Very fun dance. Not necessarily always fast, but that's part of the excitement and part of the allure of the dance is it can be danced to a lot of different things, not just Latin. Very, very popular in rock, very popular in hip hop, R&B. All of it has some sort of a syncopated rhythm in it, and that's all you really need to dance a really good cha. Okay, so there are two basic elements to cha and three kind of basic styles to cha. I'm going to show you those in this first part, and then in part two, we'll show you a practice pattern or a little amalgamation of steps to get you on your way. So let's go. Okay, the two basic elements to cha are a triplet and a rock step. Now we've talked about both of these elements before, but let's do a very, very quick review. Triple step is a combination of a chassé and an extra step. Now, chassé simply means one foot closing to the other foot. It doesn't necessarily have to be side to side. It can be forward or backwards. That would be the chassé, and then an extra step. See what I did? I didn't take the extra step in the same direction as the chassé. I went sideways. I could do chassé step. That's still considered a triplet. So, you have in your cha a triple step. We take triple steps this way. 2 short, 1 long. That means a short step, and a longer step. A short step, and a longer step. Now, how do we do this? We have 3 body lines. If you remember from earlier DK minutes, you have a center line, a side line, and the same line on the other side. What you see when people dance a lot is they dance out past their side line. The line would be there, but they pick up the feet, knees, and legs and place it out past the line. Now the body is off balance, and you get all kinds of hopping and moving and unnecessary movements while the body tries to adjust itself. The proper way of dancing this is to maintain your steps under your balance points. Now your balance points are where? Here and here. There, there, and there. Notice my foot is directly under my balance point. Now when I want to go to the other side, where do I place that foot? I place it here where this body line already is, right there. That becomes the first step of my triplet, because if I were to stand up, I'd be perfectly balanced. So here I have short, short, long. Short, short, long. The other element to dancing your cha, of course, is the rock step. We've talked about this also in other DK minutes. Rock steps are actually pushes in the opposite direction of the rock. A forward rock is a backwards push. A back rock is a forward push. It is incorrect to dance a forward rock this way or a back rock this way. Now we see that all the time. When you dance your cha-cha using these elements in this way, what you discover is that cha-cha is danced in a rectangle shape, a box, rather than a line. So practice that, and your cha-cha will be much, much better.
Won't you teach me to dance?